Assalamu alaikum. Eid Mubarak, Eid Mubarak, Eid Mubarak. My dear viewers, it's really a great day, especially for the Muslims, because the Islam has granted it according to the instruction of Allah through Jibril alayhi salam, the very beginning of the creation. Allah sent Jibril alayhi salam to Hazrat Ibrahim alayhi salam to sacrifice the greatest and the loveliest thing of his life. So from that very time, this occasion is celebrated all over the world among the Muslims, and it is very important for all the Muslims to sacrifice the best and the greatest thing in their life, only for the satisfaction and for the happiness of Allah. The Qurbani and its activities are done only to satisfy Allah. Allah never demands anything from the Muslims, but the Muslims follow the commandments of Allah through Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu is the pioneer of Islam in the world. He also followed the tradition of Ibrahim alayhi salam, and he also knew the tradition and the sacrifice through Jibril from Allah. So all over the world, people, the Muslims sacrifice, especially on this Eid Adha, the dearest thing. Allah never demands or commanded forcefully to do it, but people, the Muslim, perform or celebrate Eid Adha to satisfy Allah, to get the help from Allah, to get the real and the topmost benevolent and the betterment of their life from Allah. People know it that when they will die, the angels will ask them about the activities of the Muslims, what they have done in the world. Then they will measure the better works and the worse works of the Muslims. So the Muslims always try to satisfy Allah, but you know it very well that nobody can satisfy Allah. Only Allah will be satisfied with the words of the Muslim, with the devotion of the Muslim. And so we also sacrifice something for the betterment of the life, and we hope that Allah will forgive us, because we always do something which is called sin. So without the rahmat of Allah, without the help of Allah, nobody can go to Jannah. So we always wait for the rahmat of Allah. Only the rahmat of Allah can help us. As it is Eid Adha, people sacrifice the dearest animals. Someone will sacrifice the cows, someone buffaloes, someone goats, someone the others, and it will vary from country to country. In Saudi Arabia, people will sacrifice other animals, but in Bangladesh, normally people here sacrifice the cows. Ox are the most popular, and the other animals which are available in Bangladesh. And in the area of Rajshahi and near about the city of Rajshahi, we have some famous market for selling and buying the animals also. In Rajshahi, the city haat is the topmost. And if you go to Chowbadia Haat, if you go to Katakhali, if you go to Nauhata, if you go to Keshor Haat, if you go to Karkon Haat, you will get your favorite animals which can be sacrificed by you only for the satisfaction of Allah. All the things are done for the satisfaction of Allah. If we follow the rules and commandments of Allah, and Hazrat Muhammad Sallam has instructed us to follow Al-Quran and the Hadith. So everything will be in a systematic way, and our solution will be solved, and our souls will be redeemed by Allah. So my dear viewers, thanks all of you, and I always pray for all of you so that you can enjoy or celebrate the Eid al-Adha nicely, happily with family members, friends and relatives. So thank you all. Thank you. Eid Mubarak. Assalamu alaikum.